The new Bobcat 265 is even smaller and lighter than the previous generation. Coming in at just over 100 pounds lighter and 13% smaller, it's the lightest unit in its class. This machine has improved weld performance. It now gives you the capability to select exact weld processes. For example, you can go from any of the wire welding processes to welding with a 7018 or 6010 electrode. The auxiliary power on this machine runs independent from the weld, so no matter where you set the weld output, you'll have full aux power. When it comes time to use the aux power, the machine comes with two 240 volt receptacles, eliminating the need for an adapter, along with two 120 volt GFCI receptacles with a new design that allows them to be easily changed out. The Bobcat 265 comes equipped with a 10-pin connector, which allows you to directly connect a spool gun to the machine. Since the spool gun is directly connected, it allows you to see the wire feed speed that it's set at, along with utilizing auto set, which helps you set the parameters and optimize your weld. The new digital interface on the Bobcat 265 allows you to have features such as auto set, which allows you to easily set your weld output based on the consumables and material size. Other benefits that come with the digital interface are features such as maintenance, which allows you to see all the alerts for routine service items, and other features such as productivity, which allows you to see machine usage. Under the maintenance menu, each of the service items can be customized to adjust the interval or alert timing to perform the service. Once the service is performed and the reset button is hit, it will automatically log it in the service log. Under system settings, the machine has weld lead calibration, which once enabled allows you to select the cable length and cable size. From there, the machine will compensate for the voltage drop based on your inputs. To download current and future software updates on the Bobcat 265, please visit millerwelds.com/support/software. Now that you've downloaded the software, insert the USB into the machine, and under the menu, go to System Info and select Update Firmware. From there, click Update. Once the machine is done updating, power cycle the machine. Optional benefits that come with the Bobcat 265 include arc reach, which when used with an arc reach capable accessory allows you to adjust the weld parameters at point of use instead of having to walk back to the machine. Another optional benefit that comes with the Bobcat 265 is battery charge crank assist, which gives you reliable DC output to charge batteries or crank assist heavy equipment, which eliminates the need to carry additional battery packs. The digital interface on the Bobcat 265 comes equipped with a digital fuel gauge, which will change colors as you get to low fuel. The fuel system has also been redesigned with improved venting to reduce the chance of a no start state on an overfill situation. Under the circumstance that your LCD screen does become cracked, it can be easily replaced without having to remove any other components of the machine. To replace just the screen, remove this front bezel. And for detailed instructions on how to do this, please reference your owner's manual. This is just a quick overview of the new Bobcat 265. For more detailed information and resources on the entire Bobcat product series, go to millerwelds.com.